Remember the days of staying up late when we snuck in through your window. And your mom got so mad that I couldn't help but laugh when I saw how far back your eyes rolled. And we still don't do what we're told. We'll never get old. We'll never get old. We'll never get old.
To my favorite sister kay wala may lain kita raman. Congratulations sa wedding. And for Elmer, please take good care of my younger sister kay I can remember na ako gadud siya tag pangadyo kon mama sa rin papa. Love you.
Sa ako friend na si Rufi. Nakapas nuno ko. Nakapas ko sa mo na Lixa. Thank you sa tanan advices na tagahatag nimo during our time sa Caraga pa. God bless sa inyo duha. Untana, for me, peace and happiness. Love you.
Ano magtuwa?
Ruby Grace and Elmer, you know that the longest sentence is yes, I do. Because that sentence, yes, I do, is life sentence. So, unya, mag-yes, I do mo. Ruby Grace, do you take Elmer here present for your lawful husband according to the right of Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Every day before you, I was holding out. If you want the stars, I can pull them down. Baby, in my arms, you'll be safe and sound.
Schoolmate kami ng college, tapos block section kami, tapos sila, mga CTE, natibo sa mo ato na time. So, dito kami first nag-meet. Pero silent type naman siya, so payara to.
Maura to amo kuan, ang amo kibali tagtawag daon murag acquaintance man classmate rami. Pero kanang ila-ila jud na friends ang kuya.
Jay certain na kailangan na makuha yung number. Kay Jay ako ipangutana. Tapos dito dahil nag-start na.
May nag-text sa ako. Si Zato nag-text kay nagkuan ko no siya na kun ako kuno sila kuno si Elmer Bano na kay nagkuan ko sa nan kanang class ring ba na basing kuno sa amo kuno na batch kay murag sa amo na batch kaya kami nagpahimo ng class ring kay
Tapos ato, nanguyab tayo siya. Amar man.
In front of me, all I
Siyempre, ang hamok mga jud kuan struggles. Pero baka sa 6 years, ang pinaka-grabe is atong 2 years. Kailangan lang. Of course, dili mas jaganan gawa sa ko. Pero ija ako gi-support Miss Kayla Jo. Tapos dili easy communication ana. So, usay mag-away kami pero amo lagi everyone promised to stay but leave. Pero si Ja, he promised to stay tapos kuman. He stayed good.
every day before you, I was holding out. If you want the stars, I can pull them down. Baby,
Tama ba ang inyong
you'll
choice?
be safe
Ikaw,
and
Elmer, kung ano yung mangutana, tama ba nga si Grace yung gipili?
Tama.
Tanawa sabi, mawa ka masayo. O gisiko ni Grace. Ha? Ikaw, Grace, Tama ba? Waka masayo pagpili kang Elmer?
Sure.
Sure na?
Father.
No regrets.
No regrets.
Okay. Pero may I remind you, please be faithful to one another. For the rest of your life, I hope na faithful mo magtagusan. Naway magluib ninyo.
I'd swim across the ocean wide. I'd climb the tallest mountain high. I'd wait for years to pass me by. I'd do anything to be by your side. Always be by your side. Down every road I find.
And may I remind you that the meaning of that yes, Y-E-S, it means your endless sacrifice. That is the meaning of yes. Your endless sacrifice. And that is the life of marriage. Your endless sacrifice. And that is why handa ba kayo magtiis habang buhay? Kana lang. Ha?
Ito ang araw na inantay mo ng kay tagal. Buhat nung ikaw ay natutong magmahal. Nasaktan at nabigo, lumuha at natuto na ang pag-ibig nga pala'y hindi isang laro. Tantananan, tantananan, ikaw nga ang babaeng aking papakasalan. Tantananan, tantananan, aking makakasama sa magpakailanman.
I prayed for you as a little girl and again a few years ago, asking God to keep safe the man of my prayers. And I'm sure that wherever is my papa, I know that he will be happy to send me to you.
Ikaw pala sinta, ang bigay sa akin ng Diyos na lumikha.